And we've got a great new box come today. Very boring bit of cardboard. A bit of zip tie. There we go. Ooh. Just out in England today. The Vision Pro. Oh, we got another zip tie here. So I'm going to be careful with the box. I'm going to keep this because it might be worth millions in 20 years time, just like my Abo isn't. Let's make a total mess of this. Oh, we've got a second one. Very fancy box. Look at this. Filming one-handed. Ooh. Just there. Oh, it's got a little thing it's held on. That looks neat. You have to measure your own head for it to come up with a size. Freddie, you come to see. Oh, look at that. The future's here. Now we're just going to work out how to use it. Oh, we've got some. Take out the middle bit here. Groovy. To pop it on. Don't know if I can see myself. It's all dark. Okay. Some other goodies in here. It's what you call an amateur video. Oh, that's the lady on the advert. Right, I'll be following them instructions shortly. What else do we have? Oh, that's a battery pack. That's why I won't be switching on, because it's not plugged in. The charger. Got some more goodies here. What's this? Oh, it's like a strap. It just smells nice. Little compartment here. Oh, even more. Paperwork in there. Oh, it's to polish it. That's going to demonetize me. Ready. Polishing cloth. Oh, and this is a bit to keep all the light out. There we go. Is it going to fit you, Freddie? You're so nosy. Right then, so we have the cover and then the piece of kit. It's upside down. So this is our Vision Pro for the UK. Let's give it a go.